You're young, ambitious, and you want to make it big in life. That's exactly the same feelings I had 5 years ago when I started my business. I was scared as hell. I didn't know that much, but I had a faith in myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 businesses that you can start today with no money and make $10,000 a month. The best part of it is you don't need no degree. All you need is a laptop or a computer and access to the internet. So ladies and gentlemen, without taking so much of your time, let's get it started. The first business is a cold calling or call center. So if you have a good voice or even a good sales skills, you should start a call center in your country. Businesses are always hiring for people to make calls to their clients or prospects. It is very expensive to hire in the US, and most businesses are looking to outsource. You can scale these businesses from $10,000 a month to even $50,000 a month, depending on your execution. So number 2 is social media management. It is very expensive to hire someone to manage social media in America, and most businesses are looking to outsource overseas. With this business, you can easily charge $500 a month per client. I already did a video about social media management, so make sure to go watch it after this video. So number 3 is content scripting. I hired multiple script writers in the past, and I have paid them between $80 to $100 per script. So if you enjoy writing, you can start this with no money up front. Actually, there's a lot of demand for script writing right now, either for YouTube videos or TikTok content. So I understand you may not have these skills right now. So what do you do? So my first advice to you is start from YouTube. YouTube has a lot of free content. You can learn anything on YouTube. But the only problem with YouTube is the information are not well organized, as well they don't focus on the business side. So the second option I will give you is agencies. Agencies are usually the middleman between you and your clients. So the agency will provide you training as well help you finding jobs. So for example, if you come to my agency, for example, we're going to help you with the training as well help you find a job. So if you're interested in that, make sure to go in the descriptions, click the link and fill up the form. If you qualify, I'm going to reach out to you myself. So guys, if you find any value in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'm going to see you next Friday.